What's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while because we've just been taking a break because school started. Now it's winter break. So today not today, but on Christmas obviously, I got this new drone, the DJI Mini 2. So I'm gonna make not the first flight really, but I just got an SD card in it so I can actually record on it. So I'm just gonna do the first flight for YouTube. So let's go. Just get it set up. I'll show you how I do it. So here it is. You take this off, just wrap it around. Okay. Putting it on the ground. You press go fly.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Home point updated. Start recording. There. Oh. Start recording. And now you can see the video. I'm gonna sticks in.
Take off.
Chase it
The
up.
home point has been updated.
There it is.
Please check it on the map.
We're gonna go up and come back here. Now we're just gonna go up to probably 150 feet. And we'll start at 100. Okay, so that's 100 feet. You can see the neighborhood. Yep. And just go up a little bit more. Maybe 150 feet. Yeah. And then we'll just maybe go down here. It's a little park down here you can go to. You can fly to. Alright, I'm getting close to there. You can see the basketball court. Right here is the playground. Yeah, there's the playground, basketball court. Just point straight down. Yeah, we're right over it. We are 600 feet away. And 5 bars, everything's good. And you also have a 4 times zoom on this. So there's 2 times. And there's 4 times. You see that's the rim. The basketball hoop. Where you couldn't see it up here. Pretty cool. And this is normal mode right now. I'll full stick in. Going against the wind is 17 miles an hour. And then I'll go with the wind. And yeah, there's 20. And I just go kind of far away. Three bars now. Okay, so this is the perfect time to show you the return the home feature. Right here, just press and hold.
Go home.
raises the altitude, but it doesn't have to raise it because I'm already at the altitude. And it'll just come right back. Like, hands-free, not doing anything. It'll take the shortest path back. Yeah, I'll just wait for it to come back. It's coming right back. And it will automatically land. But say you just want it to come back, it'll just come right back. Yeah, I can hear it. I can see it up there. Now it's like right over us. And then it'll say landing.
Landing.
See? And then I just cancel it. So it's that simple. If I go out this way, then you see that big building in the background? I'll go all the way down there and I'll have perfect signal. Yeah, so I'll just go all the way down there because my antennas are pointed that way. Alright, we're approaching it, still have 5 bars, 4 bars, so still good signal nevertheless. And we're all the way down there, 2,100 feet away, 2,200 feet. Yeah, so I'll go down to that pond right here. Yeah, still 4 bars, 3 bars now, 4 bars. Look, I can just zoom in on one of these cars too. Look at that. Follow that red car. Oh, we'll use the return to home feature again. Just come back here.
Go home.
Okay, so right here the audio just cut off. So basically I just came back and hand landed it, and that's pretty much all that happened. So stay tuned for the outro. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching this, and please hit that like button and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me if you want to keep seeing these videos, because if you don't subscribe I might just stop making these videos. But so better subscribe and like, and I'll still make these videos for you guys. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you want me to keep making videos on the DJI Mini 2, or recommend anything you want me to do down in the comments, and I'll try to do it. So subscribe to the main channel, Awesome Outdoorsy, and thanks for watching. Peace.